Reigns counters. Vigorous right hand. And the Undertaker is staggered.
And now it's Reigns' turn.
And the Undertaker landed right on his feet. Undertaker luring Reigns in. And a headbutt right between the eyes, gentlemen.
Oh, did you hear that?
The steel steps welcoming Roman Reigns with no empathy.
And Undertaker now clearing the steps away, and you can see it in his eyes, John. The Undertaker making a point, sending a message.
You're right, Michael. Look, anytime you get in the ring with a legend, but someone as legendary as Undertaker is something special. You have to be in there to feel that power firsthand. And Roman Reigns, for the first time in his life, is feeling the power of the Phenom.
Reigns, low and drop on the near 300-pound Undertaker.
And this is the first time Roman Reigns and The Undertaker have ever faced one-on-one. Mentioned before, their only real confrontation was when Reigns eliminated The Undertaker back at the Royal Rumble. Oh!
A vicious kick by Reigns. Reigns is showing no intimidation.
Not at all, and Roman Reigns never seems to show intimidation.
You know, Roman Reigns, to his credit, in his first big singles match at WrestleMania against Brock Lesnar, didn't show any intimidation either. I just don't think that Roman Reigns has it in him. He really believes this is his yard.
Uh-oh.
Right hand.
Undertaker caught him right in the mouth.
Reigns got
Oh, and a headbutt.
a vile headbutt by The Undertaker. Reigns trying to walk it off, but The Undertaker's right there.
I can tell you from experience, Undertaker's not going to give an
Oh,
inch.
look out, look out.
Here
Yeah,
we
look
go.
out here.
Here we go.
Look.
Oh, now it's Undertaker.
Oh, Undertaker face first into the ring post. Undertaker went face and head first into the ring post.
Watch out!
And Reigns. And that's a toxic kick, let me tell you.
Yeah, the drive-by Roman Reigns.
Reigns is a young, athletic machine. Look at him any way you want.
But he's in the ring with the man who spent more time
The bell sounds are ready to go.
in matches in WrestleMania than anyone in history.
I've seen